Hey guys, how you doing today? Today I'm gonna show you how to use your 7-inch multi-information display in your new Toyota Rav4 2019. This one being the Adventure trim. Have a different multi-information display, but basically all of the multi-information display in the new Toyota work basically the same, and today I'm gonna show you how to use it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Let's get into it, guys. In here in the MID multi-information display, you're going to see the first page. You're gonna see the eco mode. Basically is the distance to empty, the total average of the MPG. Also, you're going to see how you're doing in the eco mode, and using this tool over here, you can scroll to the right, and you're gonna see your lane keeping assistant with your radio cruise control. Also, it's gonna be your cruise control. Yeah, it's gonna be located over here. Also, if you have a navigation system on your Toyota Rav4 2019, it's gonna be displayed over here. For example, if you have an exit coming soon, it's gonna displayed over here. If we keep rolling to the right, we're gonna have your radio information in here. If you push OK, you're gonna see the different sources that your car is equipped with. And I have it in Bluetooth right now. And if we keep scrolling to the right, you're gonna see your vehicle information in here. It's gonna be your all-wheel drive, and this one being the Adventure Gray trim. Basically, it's gonna have a differential in each wheel that is gonna put different forces in each wheel. You have different traction also in each wheel. And if we scroll down, you're gonna see the trip distance that you've been driving, also your total time. And we keep driving, scrolling to the right, you're going to see the lane departure alert, the lane departure alert. And here, if you push OK, hold OK, you're gonna see your lane center is on. Also, the steering assistant is on. The sensibility is high. The swap warning is on, and the swap sensibility is in the middle. I like to have it like that, so it don't give me $1 every time that I'm doing something that I'm not supposed to do, because I recommend you guys to use your turn signals always, because that's how you communicate with other drivers. Always use your turn signal. If we go back, you guys also gonna see the pre-collision alert. That's basically if the vehicle detects that it's gonna be on a crash, on an accident, he's gonna try to stop the vehicle for you. It's gonna beep a couple times before you actually hit the brakes, but that's a nice feature that can save your life. That could help you in a really bad situation. Also, that's the blind spot monitor. It's on right now. If you turn it off and turn it on, you're gonna see the light coming on the mirror. And this one is the real traffic alert. If you turn it off, you're gonna see an orange light that coming up that's saying the real traffic alert is off. If you turn it on, you're also gonna see your blind spot lighting up. That's basically if you put your car in reverse. For example, if you put your car in reverse, if a car is coming from that direction over there, it's gonna let you know and prevent to having a crash. Also from this side too. And if we keep looking over here, this is gonna be the road sign assistant. Basically, that means that if you guys have this feature, it's gonna read the signs in the street. For example, the stop sign. Let me show you in here. There is a stop sign in front of me. You can see it over there on the screen. You also, if you guys also equip it with this, you guys can see the vehicle settings in here. If you have a power back door, that's basically what that means, PVD. You hit OK over here. and your system is gonna be on. Basically, if your system is on, your power lift gate is activated, and if you wanna adjust the height of the door, you just go over here. Right here, and this is on the maximum because I'm a tall guy. I leave it like that. I can reach it easily. But you can adjust it and add your height. You can see it over here. It also shows you on a graphic of the vehicle, and that's the maximum. And that's how I prefer to have it, but it's up to you. In here also you adjust the volume if you wanna. That volume is basically when you open your back door, your lift gate, it beep and lets you know that the door is opening, and that's your maintenance schedule and for your vehicle. And this is a really nice feature over here. If we hold the OK, you're gonna see now the language of the vehicle. They have 3 options: English, Spanish, and French, and also the units. We're in United States right now, so basically it's miles per hour, but depending on the country you are, it can be km. And also in here we have the metro type. This is a really nice feature. You can go from analog to digital. Right now it's in digital, but I'm gonna show you analog. You see how the graph changed? This is really nice. This is an amazing feature that I really enjoyed it. But I like it to have it on digital. I can see my speed in a big graphic over there. Also, you can active or put it on your eco mode or turn it off in here. In here it's gonna be you guys, how you doing, you guys. Basically eco mode, music, that's gonna be the radio, the vehicle information, and how you're gonna be display contacts, drive information type, drive information items. Here you pop out display. Basically here when you have a code, you're gonna display it in here, audio operation, boolean operation, voice control, and this one is the MID. If you want to turn it off or turn it on, basically everything is gonna be off. Just if you want to turn it on back, if you want to turn it on back to turn it on, just hit OK. And if you want to put everything as default from factory, just click OK and hit yes. But we don't want to do that now. And that's basically all. And in here the messages are gonna be basically if your car have an alert or something is wrong with your car, it's gonna display it over there. And that's basically everything for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you.